Hey, how is it going, everybody? So you see my gaming computer right there, and it's a really nice gaming computer, right? But then we come over here, and we'll get all set up like this, and what do you see? You see my MacBook Neo. Now, here's the deal. A lot of you are probably like, wait a minute, what are you doing with that MacBook Neo? And then you have that basically a supercomputer over there, and I could read out all the specs, but whatever. You guys already seen what it is, so I'm not gonna do that. This isn't about flexing, all right? This is about me loving this MacBook Neo, and I'm an Apple fanboy, okay? You see my Apple Watch. I'm recording this video with my iPhone 17 Pro Max. I got my AirPod Pro 3s. I got all that. I got all this stuff, right? So I do Apple stuff. But back to this MacBook Neo. All right, here's the deal. I'm thinking about getting rid of Chrome. Now, I'm not saying that Chrome is bad, but you can do all of your Google stuff inside of Safari. Just sign into Google with Safari, and then you just, you do all your Google stuff. You can access your Google Drive, your Google Keep. So say you're like me, and I do live inside of the Google ecosystem. Look, I love using Apple hardware, and I use some Apple software, but let me tell y'all what. I'm a Google guy at the end of the day when it comes to all that, okay? That's just the way it is. But all you can sign in, you can get your Safari, you can sign into, look, come on, I'm gonna just open this up over here. And what window? Where am I at? Okay, well, you see my YouTube right there. Let's just open another one over here, and let's just type in Google. That's not how you do Google. Type in Google over here. All right, I'm just trying to get all fancy and stuff. All right, so then you click on this little thing here. You can do all your Google stuff right there. You see what I'm doing over here? And I'm inside of Safari. So, and the only reason I'm saying this is y'all have heard me complain a little bit about, Chrome being a little resource intensive, right? It's not that big of a deal. But at the end of the day, look, if you're an Apple user, because you see all these other creators, YouTubers talking about, yeah, man, I got Chrome on my MacBook Neo and all that. The reason they have Chrome on their MacBook Neo is they're also, they primarily use a lot of Windows stuff, or, they switch to Android back and forth. So they kind of have to do all that. All right. That's just something that they do. Personally, for me, if you are a hardcore Apple user, I do not see the benefit of using Google Chrome. I should probably name this video something else, like I left Google Chrome. But the whole point of this video is I only use my supercomputer. I'm calling it my supercomputer for gaming. All right. It's an awesome computer. I mean, it has all the coolest specs. It has, it has a big NVIDIA graphics card. I like it. I love for what it does. But when it comes to the Apple ecosystem, stuff like that, the MacBook Neo does it for me. And it doesn't skip a beat. You can see all of the Apple stuff. You can see the reminders, the Apple Mail, the notes, the reminders right there. I mean, the calendar, reminders, notes. You can see Apple Maps. You see my journal. I just live inside of, I'm an Apple ecosystem kind of guy, and I just am. But at the same time, I love Google as well. So, yeah. So anyway, long story short, this MacBook Neo is amazing. And at the end of the day, I'm the most happy I've ever been with a laptop in general. I've had Windows laptops before. And yeah, it's just, I'm not taking nothing away from Windows. I'm not going to be one of those dudes that's super hardcore, like all of Windows sucks. But at the end of the day, this MacBook Neo is terrific. And yeah, I'm very happy and content with it.